Hello students. Now today I explain you lesson number 9, the sacrifice, which is the story of or the one act play of King Shibi. And this story is about the sacrifice of King Shibi. Now here when the curtains open, the story starts that now one day King Shibi, who was known for his justice and righteousness, was sitting on his throne facing the courtyard. Then only a white dove flew towards him. It was chased by an eagle who was trying to kill it. The dove came under King's shelter and he protected it. Now when the eagle demanded its prey, the king refused to give it as it was in his shelter. Now he asked the eagle to eat whatever he wanted from his kitchen. Now the eagle refused and demanded the king's flesh equal to the weight of the dove, cut from the right side of his body in presence of his wife and son. Now the king agreed, but when the king's flesh was put on the scale, the dove grew heavier and the weight of the two could not be balanced. When tear dropped from the king's left eye, the eagle refused to take an unwilling sacrifice. But the king replied that his left side was weeping for the dove whom he could not protect. Now he offered his whole body to the eagle as his flesh was not sufficient to protect the bird. Now on hearing this, the eagle and the dove vanished, and in their place appeared Indra, the chief of gods, and Agni, the god of fire. They had come to test the king's goodness. Now they said that the king yielded the place above them. Gods showered flowers from heaven over the king, the queen, and the prince. So this is the story of the sacrifice of King Shibi, which is tested by the chief of god Indra and the god of fire Agni. Now students, this is the explanation of that story. So one more thing is that you must have read this lesson. Okay. Now go to the exercise. Read and learn. Here there is a glossary given to you, so you find the meaning of the difficult word. Next exercises. Read and learn. Sacrifice, disguised, courtiers, executioner, courtyard. Righteousness, chase, robe, flutter, nestles. Fainting, pressing, summon, betray, steady. Dismay, awful, sufficient, yield, startled. Now go to the word power. Match column A with column B for finding the meaning of words in column A. Now here in column A there are words given, and in column B there is the meanings of that words. Now first one is sacrifice. So sacrifice means animal, bird, etc. killed as part of a ceremony. Second, disguise. Disguise, to change the appearance etc. of in order to deceive or to hide identity. Betray. Betray, to be unfaithful to someone. Summon, to call or send for. Yield, fortune. Chase, to pursue in order to catch. Righteousness, doing what is morally good. Vanish, disappear. Fate, fate, fortune. Prey, an animal caught by another animal and eaten. Here yield means to give up. Now go to the next one. Tick the words in box A that are associated with King Shibi. Tick the words in box B that are associated with eagle, and tick the words in box C that are associated with dove. So here box A is associated with King Shibi, B is eagle, and C is dove. So what are the words which identify both of the three? The word kind, righteous, justice, strong, calm, noble, trust, sacrifice, and gentle. All these words are associated with King Shibi. Now in B, Indra, praising, strong, hungry, wicked, thundering, prey, and anger. All these words are associated with eagle. Now dove from C, innocent, white, fainting, trembling, agni, sad, flutters. All these words are associated with dove. Now here from comprehension, choose the right answer. A. What did the king say when he saw the dove? Oh, what nonsense! Oh, what an innocent bird! Oh, what a poor bird! Oh, take this bird away. So the answer is, oh, what an innocent bird. Second, what did the eagle ask the king? Answer, surrender my prey. C. What did the queen say to the king? Answer is, we are with you and may all the gods be with you. Next, what did God Indra grant King Shibi? Answer is that you have the highest place in heaven. So students, you have to write all these answers in your fair notebook and learn it.